here's how to create a purchase order in Yardi Voyager. So the first thing that you're going to do is on your dashboard, go ahead and click on the POS sign or the purchase order work area. From then on, you will be redirected on this page where you can edit the document number set, purchase order, document date, send document via, send document to, and number of items. Now on the right side, you will edit there the terms of payment, FOB, delivery note, comment 1 or comment 2 if there's any, and the confirmation and auto receive. Afterwards, below you will see there the advanced search. You can now go ahead and put on the items that you wanted to create your purchase order with. Now afterwards, when you already set up everything or all the details needed, you can now go ahead and click on the OK options. Now once you have already pressed on the OK options, the purchase order that you just created will automatically save to the data that you have on Yardi Voyager.